They look squeaktacular!
You're making mushroom music!
It's called Puffin Pop!
Guess that's the drop!
Help me before I become a snow ornament!
Oh, he's adorable. Can we keep him?
We can't just take home every animal you meet.
Bless you, Sparkle Nose. The forest is glowing.
It's either magic or my flashlight finally syncing with nature. Yeah, sure! Let's go with magic!
You realize every time we explore, we nearly freeze, fall, or explode something?
And yet,